Ever pondered over what it takes to transform a dull, scratched vehicle into a vibrant, glossy machine that turns heads on the street? Well, it's all in the paint job. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of car painting. Car painting is not a simple one-step process. It is a meticulous procedure involving several stages that require both skill and patience. Each step contributes to the final result, a beautifully painted car that looks as good as new. The first step in this process is preparation. This involves thoroughly cleaning the car to remove any dirt or grease that could interfere with the paint job. A pressure washer is typically used for this purpose. Once the car is clean, it's time to sand it down. This step is crucial as it helps to remove the old paint and creates a smooth surface for the new paint to adhere to. The car is then wiped down with a tack cloth to remove any dust or debris left from sanding. Next comes the priming stage. Primer acts as a base for the paint, ensuring it sticks to the car's surface. It helps to fill in any small imperfections and creates an even surface for the paint. The car is sprayed with primer and left to dry. Once the primer is dry, it's time for the main event, painting. This is where the magic happens. The paint is applied in thin, even layers using a spray gun. Multiple coats are usually required to achieve a rich, even color. Each layer must be completely dry before the next one is applied. This can be a time-consuming process, but the end result is worth the wait. After the final coat of paint has dried, it's time for the clear coat. This is a transparent layer of paint that provides protection and gives the car its glossy finish. Like the color paint, the clear coat is applied in thin, even layers and left to dry. Finally, the car is polished. Polishing not only enhances the car's shine, but also helps to smooth out any minor imperfections in the paint job. This is the finishing touch that brings the whole process together. In summary, car painting is a multi-step process that involves preparation, priming, painting, clear coating, and polishing. Each step plays a crucial role in achieving a high-quality paint job. It requires skill, patience, and attention to detail. But the end result is a stunning, glossy car that's sure to turn heads. So the next time you see a beautifully painted car, remember the painstaking process that went into making it look that way. Car painting is not just a process, it's an art form. It's about transforming something ordinary into something extraordinary. And now you know exactly how it's done.
Yeah!